Hi everybody, how's it doing? This is Susan here. Thanks again for joining our cooking channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious, tantalizing, sweet and sour pork ribs. Here we just added 1 egg to be mixed with our marinated pork ribs here. You'll find the marinating recipe downstairs in the description. We're adding in some all-purpose flour to coat all our ribs here. The eggs help to get that flour stuck on it. And we're just adding in some cornstarch as well to thicken things up. There we go. Just mix it all around. Now we're going to be making our sweet and sour sauce. Add 1 cup of water, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of white spirit vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And to give it color and a bit more tanginess, we're going to add maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. There you go. Just let it cook there for about a minute or so. We're going to spice things up. We're going to diagonally chop these green peppers, add some boiled sliced carrots, and some loosely sliced onions, just for flavor and color. There we go. Let that cook for about 1 minute. And then we're going to thicken this sauce up with some cornstarch. There we go. Cook it for another 30 seconds or so and then put it aside to cool. Our oil is hot now. We're going to deep fry our pork spare ribs here. Do it slowly. Be careful. Don't get hurt. There we go. Slowly add in your pork spare ribs. Make sure they're not sticking together. You'll cook the pork spare ribs for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that is ready, you'll be heating up your sauce again on the one side of your stove there. And the pork ribs are ready. We're going to directly transfer them, drain them a little bit first into our sauce there. And this will make sure that your spare ribs are still nice and crunchy when you serve it for dinner or lunch. And we're just going to coat all our spare ribs here with that delicious sweet and sour tanginess from the sweet and sour sauce. There we go. It's smelling so good already. My taste buds are so roaring right now. We're just adding in a little bit more oil to give it that nice glimmer. That's what restaurants do. There we go. And it's about ready. Sprinkle in some white and black sesame seeds for garnishing, and you've got a beautiful dinner. If you guys like the video, please remember to give it a nice like, subscribe, comment. We really do appreciate your suggestions as well. This is Susan, signing out. Till next time, gotcha.